kami sialam nang rang bu jongsi kumani atau hopu Meghalaya dan Ladakh Assam na kedua ninghang laban Assam alu kedua tung jongsi Meghalaya aninghang kedua kita ninghang boleh lang tuman kara tahun ipu ala soal lama ke ninduk lo lama ke nil tumai ke cikroy no dekhe we have our own constitutional boundary which the both state government have to accept. If the both governments doesn't accept the constitutional boundary which we have right now, it will create a ruckus, and as we have already experienced that there have been many sporadic incidents around here, and it can escalate in the further in the coming days. Now, our concern is if our land is if our land will be transferred to Meghalaya, then I can damn sure say that the situation will get worse, and it might be the same situation like in Manipur, and we are afraid of the lives of our people and the properties of our people. So I once again request both the government to just stick by the constitutional boundary which we existingly have. Thank you.
Kedamtang Pio Sajurika pensot si HED minister tum la pilar ke som tang upon ang kahumri la pen so non anta tiar jedet la so puthana lihin ben tipu ji
labang I don't think that there is a boundaries issue. Our boundaries are clear. There is no boundary issues out here. The people out here in Khanduli, they are encroachers. I would say they are encroachers. I can clearly mention that. And Khanduli belongs to Karbi Anglong and belongs to Assam. This is clear.
Can you till what area you claim that Khanduli belongs to?
You can just refer to the constitutional boundary which we have. It's notified. It's not that we are claiming. This is not claiming. We are not claiming. This is a notified boundary. This is a notified boundary which we have.
Means you are against this meeting also?
We are not against this meeting because we need peace. There are many violence that has happened, and we are afraid that this sort of violence doesn't happen in coming days. So, like for building a peace in this area, in the bordering area, the notified constitutional boundaries should be accepted and should be maintained. That's all.
Just now Alvin sir have already expressed that 21,000 people of Khasi-Panar have been living here peacefully with the people of Karbi Anglong, and at the same time 20,000 people living in Meghalaya, in what to say Marmi and other parts of Meghalaya. So what do you say that?
We have accepted our Khasi brothers, Garo brothers and Jaintia brothers who are living in Karbi Anglong as our own. They are the citizens of Karbi Anglong. We have no problem with that. We live with them, we love with them, we play with them, we cry with them. There is no problem with that. But the issue is about the land. And everyone should know that land is very serious issue.
Thank you.